For the past 6 weeks, I have been providing our West St. Paul residents with weekly updates on our municipal response to COVID-19 on behalf of council, administration, and staff. I've shared the various proactive steps we have taken as a municipality to ensure the health and safety of our community members. These steps include working with the province to share the most up-to-date information, suspending community programs and events, the closure of all municipal facilities and buildings, play structure closures, as well as providing updates on the risk of flooding in our community. I want to thank our Municipal Emergency Coordinator, Ken Azaransky, our CAO, and all staff members for ensuring the RM has been well prepared during this global pandemic and that all essential services have continued without interruption. After 6 weeks of social distancing, staying home, and following the advice of the provincial and federal governments, it is clear our efforts are having a positive impact. Our community is helping to slow the spread of COVID-19 and flatten the curve. Manitoba has among the lowest cases of COVID-19 in Canada. As of Sunday morning, April 19th, there were 253 cases of COVID-19 in Manitoba. There are now more people in our province who have recovered from the virus than active cases, with 108 active cases and 140 individuals who have recovered. Residents of West St. Paul are staying home, slowing the spread of this virus, and saving lives. I am so proud of our community members. Thank you all for doing your part and for following the public health orders. It is important that we continue to follow the provincial recommendations. We are not out of the woods yet, and it's too soon to let up on social distancing. Now that the weather is warming up, it might be tempting to meet with our friends and neighbors. On Friday, the Chief Provincial Public Health Officer, Dr. Roussin, advised Manitobans not to host driveway parties or outdoor birthday parties, even when efforts are made to social distance and stay 2 meters or more apart. The province discourages these type of gatherings. It is safe to spend time outdoors on your own or with members of your household, but let's stay vigilant in our effort to stay home, social distance, and continue to slow the spread of COVID-19. There's also positive news in terms of our flooding risk in West St. Paul. According to the province's latest flood report, river levels are expected to crest at 19 to 19.5 James Avenue this week. That is well below 2006 levels as first projected and well below the 1997 flood levels of 24.5 feet. Riverfront properties in our community are not at risk of flooding at this time, and our municipality is well prepared if there are any changes to the flood forecast. Thank you again to each and every one of our West St. Paul residents for helping to minimize the spread of COVID-19. We all have an important role to play in preventing the spread of this virus and protecting our vulnerable populations. I encourage you to continue to follow the provincial health orders and protect our loved ones, friends, and neighbors. Thank you.